Alright, this is our new game. These is land.
What's Matthew doing?
That is water. That is the shark that's trying to eat us.
Dude, you can swim in the water.
Alright, we can swim in the water. No, we don't.
In the water, yeah. Matthew, sorry, but you have been. I'm doing something. Cut. If you're in water, you have to go twice. Wait, no, I'm stuck. If you're in water, you have to go twice less speed. That's what I said.
No, you don't. You can go the same speed.
Yeah, in water, are you going to be able to swim like this? I'm swimming.
Michael Phelps can.
You'd probably be able to get away from the car. And sharks actually mostly like not happen.
I'm running.
So sad that you're stuck. And that you're so weak.
Alright, going out.